Hey everyone, my name is Tori and today I'm unboxing a Sawgrass SG500 with the new VersiFlex ink. I'm super excited to see what I'll be able to create with it, so let's go check it out. Okay, so it looks like everything installed correctly, but because the VersiFlex machine requires application between 2 to 3 minutes after you print, I'm gonna go ahead and wait so I can turn up my heat press. I might come back in a different outfit because it might be a different day, but that's okay. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Okay, we're back. So my printer's connected to the Wi-Fi and my heat press is heating up, so let's see what we can make.
So I actually really like the VersiFlex ink and I'm gonna have so much fun trying out different things. I have some tumblers I wanna try out. I have the wooden slate still. The one thing that I have learned is that you have to make sure your pressure is correct because otherwise you might end up with the paper sticking onto the surface of what you're trying to apply to and it doesn't come off that easily. However, you live and you learn. All right, so thanks for watching my first YouTube video. I've had so much fun testing out the new VersiFlex ink and I'm so excited to keep going and learning more about it. And if you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe and like because I'm planning to make more content this summer and just try different things. I'm going to give myself different themes and I'm just going to have fun with it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.